अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्कॉलर्स एजुकेशन। आज की वीडियो में जो हम लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं वो है यूनिट नंबर 3 का 4.4 विच इज़ क्रिटिकल रिव्यू ऑफ द रोल ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर इन टीचर एजुकेशन एंड इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी डिस्कस क्रिटिकल रिव्यू ऑफ द रोल ऑफ प्राइवेट सेक्टर इन टीचर एजुकेशन। इसके साथ ही हमारे टीचर एजुकेशन के सब्जेक्ट के 3 यूनिट्स कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज लेक्चर विच इज़ 4.4 critical review of the role of public sector in teacher education. Here are the some aspects which are positive and some critical aspects also there for the critical review. Obviously it's critical review, तो critical review में हम उसके positive और negative दोनों aspects देखते हैं। सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं रोल क्या है। पब्लिक सेक्टर जो है वो आप देख लें तो उसमें टीचर द रोल ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर इन टीचर एजुकेशन इन पाकिस्तान हैज़ बोथ पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स एंड सिग्निफिकेंट चैलेंजेस। Here is a critical review of the public sector role in teachers education in Pakistan. So first we discuss which are positive aspects. Positive aspect में सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं accessibility की। पब्लिक सेक्टर इंस्टीट्यूशन जो हैं, जो गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं या यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो हैं वो क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करती है टीचर एजुकेशन की एक्सेसिबिलिटी में इन दी सेगमेंट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन। उसके अलावा ये ऑफ़र करती हैं और अफोर्डेबल होती हैं सबसाइड एजुकेशन, और इसके अलावा ये एस्पायरिंग टीचर्स जो फ्यूचर टीचर्स होती हैं उनके लिए बड़ा इजी होता है ताकि वो अपनी क्वालिफ़िकेशंस को, अपनी डिग्रीज़ को, अपनी एजुकेशन को परसू कर सके। दैन वी डिस्कस टीचर ट्रेनिंग। Public sector institutions typically provide comprehensive teacher training programs including Bachelor of Education which is B.Ed and Masters in Education which is M.Ed degrees, and these programs are fully equipped with teaching knowledge and pedagogical skills and teaching skills also. Then we discuss curriculum development. Public sector institutions are responsible for developing and updating the curriculum for teachers education programs. These are also for ensuring it aligns with national and regional educational standards, and it helps to maintain a certain level of quality of teachers in training. Then we discuss about infrastructure. What is infrastructure? Some public sector institutions have well-established infrastructures including classrooms, library and laboratories which can contribute to a conducive learning environment for teachers candidate. Then we discuss what are the challenges and what are the critics we can do on public sector teacher education. These are the quality of education. One of the most significant challenge in public sector teacher education in Pakistan is the varying quality of education. Some institutions maintain high standards and others may suffer from outdated curriculum, inadequate facility, training and a lack of resources. And also inconsistency effects for the overall quality of teachers produced. Then we discuss lack of practical training. Many public sector teacher education programs focus heavily on theory and lack practical hand-on teaching experiences. Also, this is the gap between theory and practice can leave new teachers ill-prepared for the challenges for real classrooms. Then overcrowded and resources shortage. Some public sector institutions are overcrowded, lending to a high student to faculty ratio. It means student to faculty ratio जिस तरह 40 स्टूडेंट्स पर एक टीचर है तो ये student to faculty ratio है। Resources shortage including limited access to textbook and teaching materials also hinder effective teachers training. Then bureaucratic hurdles. Public sector education in Pakistan often criticized for its bureaucracy and red tape, which can also slow down decision making and implementations of reform in teacher education. Then outdated curriculum. Despite efforts to updated curriculum, teacher education programs in public sector sometimes lag behind in incorporating modern teacher education technologies and the latest educational researches. Then assessment and evaluation. The assessment and evaluation mechanism in public sector teacher education program may not always align with practical teaching skills and outcomes, leading to disconnect between what is taught and what is needed in the classroom. Limited specializations. Public sector institutions may not offer a wide range of specialized programs, including limited teachers' opportunities to pursue advanced degrees or certifications in specific areas of education. Then professional development. The public sector often lacks robust system for ongoing professional development for in-service teachers, which is essential for their continued growth and effectiveness. If we conclude this topic, which is the public sector play a vital role in teacher education in Pakistan by providing access to teacher training programs and developing standardized curriculum. However, it faces several changes related to the quality of education, practical training, resources shortage, bureaucracy, and curriculum relevance. Also, addressing these issues is essential to ensure that the public sector can produce well-prepared and effective teachers who can meet the evolving needs of Pakistan's education systems. Also, there are some reforms and investment in teacher education are critical for improving the overall quality of education in the country. So you can like this lecture. If you have any comment related to this lecture, you can ask in comment section. We'll meet you in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.